Alan loved to waterski and to lift weights. He did it regularly for many years. Unfortunately, he had a series of accidents that damaged his left shoulder pretty badly. He was practically unable to use his left arm because of this. He became unable to move it above his waist without the help of his other arm. He had a difficult time putting his left hand on his steering wheel to steer his car. He could not lift anything. He also could not turn around in bed without the help of his other arm. The discomfort was constant. His mobility felt non-existent. He was not able to sleep. The doctors told him his shoulder was too damaged for any kind of simple minor surgery. They gave him two choices. Either he must get a total shoulder replacement, or he would have to live with his discomfort to the end of his life. They also told him that if he agrees to get a total joint replacement, he would not be able to waterski or do anything that requires a pull on his shoulder. If he were to do anything like that, the damage would be even worse than it is now. He wanted to fix his shoulder, but he didn't want to have an artificial part in his body. He also did not want to stop lifting weights and waterskiing. He was afraid that if he changed his lifestyle and stopped being physically active, he would start to feel old and depressed. He didn't want to give up his active lifestyle. He also didn't want to become dependent on any medications or painkillers. Fortunately, one day he met a friend who told him about a new super nutraceutical that could help him improve his mobility and help him with his discomfort. She said it was the only thing that was able to help her, and she encouraged him to try it. She said that it's natural with no side effects and that it had clinically proven effectiveness. He saw that there was no risk in trying it and everything to gain, so he decided to try it even though he did not really believe it could work. He thought it was one of those snake oils that he had heard of when he was a kid. He trusted medications and medical doctors. He didn't believe that any supplement could help him with his shoulder. He was very skeptical. The first month on it, he had no results. He started to lose hope. In the second month, his discomfort increased. He started to understand that something was changing in his body. In the third month, suddenly, the discomfort released and his mobility started returning. He was able to lift his arm and sleep at night. 1 year later, he was able to do 10 plus chin-ups, push-ups, and waterski on a very high level. The discomfort in his shoulder had disappeared and his mobility was back. Today, he says, it feels almost like he has a new shoulder. Alan did not have to make a choice between living with discomfort and giving up water skiing and lifting weights. Today, he is 81 years young and he can live without discomfort and do the things he loves. Click Learn More if you would like to know more.